Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. Today, I have the BeautyFix Box from the Dermstore. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are doing well. Well, my boxes are starting to come in for June. It's mid-June. No, not yet. I think this is, today I'm recording. It is the 10th of June. So, you know, of course, boxes will start coming. And my earlier ones are like the Dermstore and also my Macy's box. So you'll be seeing that soon as well. But unfortunately, BoxyCharm, again, it says pending, pending, pending. So you never know. So anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, as our usual cadence, what I want to do is get us started with our empowerment and affirmation cards. And so let's get down to it. Let's see what we have today. Okay, this is a interesting, kind of darkish, lightish card. And so what does it say? It says, I am surrounded by life and energy. It flows into and out of me as I breathe. Interesting. Okay, I am surrounded by life and energy, which is a fact, scientifically a fact. It flows into and out of me as I breathe. Now, that's the part that you have to do. So anyway, this is like I said, it's an interesting card. And you know, at one time I really focused on things like this. And unfortunately, because it gets, you know, life gets busy and I really haven't done this, to be honest with you, but it really helps. And this is part of like if you meditate, if any of you meditate out there, you know, you have to be aware of your surroundings. And some people surround themselves with like stones and also plants, so that way they can actually, you know, feel the energy, and then they take deep breath and really be mindful of it, right? Really focus on it. And so this is actually pretty good. Let's see what it says. Oh, it's a long one, so let me get my magnifying glass. So I can read it to you and not like mess this up. Okay, it says, when do I find it easiest to focus on my own thoughts and feelings? And how can I incorporate more mindfulness into my everyday life? Those are two very good questions. As I said, you know, life gets busy, we get busy, and our daily, you know, things that we do on a daily basis, work, take care of kids maybe, cook, wash dishes, whatever it may be, run errands, those all, you know, kind of get in a way of allowing us to take moments to ourselves. But you really, really have to focus, and you really have to say to yourself, okay, this takes me, 5 minutes? I need to carve out 5 minutes. And it's really important that you do that. And, you know, at times like when I need to really get away, I do it, but I need to learn to do it more on a regular basis. I used to carve out like 5 minutes. No, it was, I think, 15 minutes out of my busy life and actually calendar it so that way I'm not interrupted. So when do I find it easiest to focus on my own thoughts and feelings? I'm going to have to say, for me, it is very early in the morning before life's, you know, hustle and bustle start. And because in the afternoon, I'm trying to catch up my day. And so I really can't focus. And so, you know, I don't really have the time to do it in the afternoon, but definitely, you know, very early in the morning. And yeah, so it may be the afternoon for you. I'm just too exhausted after work for me to do anything in the evening, to be honest. But yeah, find that time and what works for you. And also, how can I incorporate more mindfulness into my everyday life? You know, I mean, this is a very good stress reliever. And if you can carve out, you know, 10, 15 minutes in your busy day, maybe for lunch or whatever, you know, this is a good thing to do. And it's well worth it. And, you know, decrease in stress. And you never know, you may get more time because you're able to function more effectively throughout the day. So yeah, that's a pretty good card. And so yeah, let me know what you think. And you know, do you carve out time too? And do you give to yourself? And you should if you don't, okay? And I need to focus on that a little more, and I need to get better with it. So yeah, that's that. So next, what do we have? We have the beauty box. It's a beauty box, but it's called the BeautyFix, and it's by Dermstore. And I get really excited about this box because this is relatively new for me, and it's a $24.95 a month box, and you get $100 plus worth of stuff in here. There's a couple of really good full-size products. I think there's 2 this month. And I just like, if you like skincare, this is pretty much what's in here, okay? I don't think I've received any makeup at all in this. And so if you're not into skincare, this is not for you. But if you are, this is definitely for you. And what I like about BeautyFix is the fact that they send useful things, and they send things that I'm familiar with. And like in the summertime, they'll send you a couple of different types of sunscreen and hair care also. They do include hair care in here. And so let's see what we got. And I can also bring this up now that I have the box. I don't usually look and see what's in the box, but they do send it and how to use it. So, and I get an email about that, but I don't open it until it comes because I like surprises. Okay, so alrighty, I got the page prompted there for now until it kind of cuts off. So let's go ahead and open this box. Like I said, it is $24.95 a month, and for me it's well worth it so far, and let's see if it continues being worth it. So okay, yeah, there's no cover. So it says, we're here for the unabashed love of skin, BeautyFix by Dermstore, and that's what it says here, you see, and very nice. And here is the items here. It's not hidden. And one thing I do like about this is just like not a big deal, but I like these large spaghettis that are like put together very nicely so they don't fall out. They're all kind of like, you know, chained together, and it's not like those little miniature spaghettis that I can't stand because it's all over the floor and then I have to clean up. Anyway, nor here nor there. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing here is by Wren, and it's clean skincare. Here it is, and it looks like a full-size product, and this looks like sunscreen. So let's see what it says here. It says Wren Clean Skincare, Clean Screen Mineral SPF 30, and it protects skin and absorbs excess oil. So okay, so I'm gonna say this probably going to have a white cast. And let's see the size of the tube. Oh, definitely nice. And Wren is actually a brand that I do like, and I've used things in the past. Not too much, but I have used things here and there. And so let's see what it says. It's mattifying face sunscreen, broad spectrum protection, and it is a PR+++ in UVB and UVA. And so it is clean essentials. It's 22% zinc oxide, naturally delivered. Very nice. And zinc oxide, you know, zinc. I mean, you remember those, I'm dating myself, but when you went to the beach, you saw the lifeguards with that white thing on their nose. That was just like a plaster of zinc oxide. But yeah, I think it was called a Frogger or something like that type. So, yep. And so, let's see what it says. Work between fingers and apply to face and neck. So, before sun exposure. And you do know that, or maybe you don't, but let me mention it. If it's completely a mineral sunscreen, you don't have to wait the 15 minutes. The reason why you have to wait 15 minutes for those that are chemical is because it needs time to absorb, because how it works. It sucks into it takes in the rays, and it transforms it into other type of energy, which is heat, and it expels. Where minerals deflect. So no need to wait 15 minutes for these. But I have a feeling this is going to be pretty white. But in the future, I'll be doing just sunscreen trials and just kind of putting stripes on my face so I can show you. So anyway, this is a full size, and definitely, yeah, I can go with that. So, yep, there it is. And next, we have, oh, this looks familiar. This is called Avene. And this is what they call thermal water. I think I just ran out of it. Actually, I videoed it where I used it and I ran out. And I do like this. It's just water though, guys. Okay, I mean, yeah, it's purified water, but it is water. I don't think it does anything. I don't know. Unless it comes in a box, I don't buy it. And it says here, it is a thermal spring water, lightweight hydration, and soothes and softens skin. It is important though that you do keep your skin hydrated through the day, especially if you use hyaluronic acid. Because hyaluronic acid, even though it holds 1,000 times its weight in water, you have to give it water. Otherwise, it's going to dehydrate you and do the opposite because it's pulling water from your your skin. So you have to constantly keep it, you know, kind of moist. And so these are really good for that. And the reason why I like it is because I need the moisture during the day, especially living in California. We're pretty dry out here. And so during the day, I'll just spritz and do that. And then I follow it up with my, because it is water, I do follow it up with my SPF 30 spray, which I have, which is a setting solution by Milani, I want to say, yeah. So, but remember, if you add water to your sunscreen, make sure you do still, continue to use sunscreen post, you know, water spray. Okay, and that is that a full-size product? I would think it is, but no, it's not. This is a miniature one, which I love the miniature ones, or the travel size, but it's not miniature. A travel size ones, because I can put this in my purse and go, and I always have one of these in my purse. So, yeah. And next is a full size, and this is the Living Proof Frizz Instant Defrizzer, and softens and shines anytime, gets smooth between shampooing. And so this is, I think, more of a dry conditioner than a dry shampoo is what it looks like. And let's see what it says here. Whoa, I'm not going to be able to read the back. I mean, yeah, you need a microscope to see the back of that. And what it does is it controls frizz and restores softness. And so this is a multitasker according to this. And I do like Living Proof products. I do like their dry shampoo. But I've not tried this. So, and I do sometimes get a little bit of frizzy, especially right after I shampoo my hair. Yeah, because it removes and strips my oil, right, when I shampoo. And so I may go ahead and give this a try. But can I read that? Let me see. What does it say? It says, hold canister 6 to 10 inches away, spray on dry hair in a sweeping motion, smooth hair with hands or comb through for added softness and shine. Finish with a final spray. What's a final spray? What's a final spray? Is that a finishing spray? I think so. Maybe. I don't like putting like tons of stuff in my hair, you know. I just like to make sure it's nice and nourished. So yeah, but I'll go ahead and give that a try because like I said, I do like their products. Okay, the next in line is actually a very good size actually of product. I think this may be a mask, and this looks like it's a naturopathica calendula essential hydrating cream. Okay, so it is a cream, and you know it weighs pretty good. So what does it say about it here? This luxuriously nourishing cream features calming calendula for soft, supple, and hydrated skin. Perfect for all skin types. How to use. After cleansing, apply a generous amount to the face and neck. Avoid contact with eyes. And according to this, you could use this day or night. And so, let's see. This is a pretty, this is pretty, oh, man. This is going to be a pain to open because, of course, I did my nails, guys. You see? It's the stick-on kind. You see? Yeah. Yeah, because I was being lazy. I didn't want to paint it because... So you know what? I have so many of these press-on nails. I shouldn't say stick-on. It's proper word. It's press-on nails that I need to start using. Okay. Oh, first thing I noticed, this is not one of those jars that are like really hollow on the bottom. It's a solid bottom. So it is what it is. I like that. It's not like the chintzy little bit inside and they have this concave bottle. So here it is. And it is, I'm not going to open it, guys, because I have a lot of cream going on right now. Am I showing you right? And is it even focused? So, yeah. And I'm going to go ahead and give it a try once I have my other cream run out. And so, yeah. It looks good. It looks good. So, let me see. Let me close that in there. Like I said, it is good for day or night. And I have one more product and one company that I don't really like for skincare because I think it's overpriced. Their skincare is overpriced, and I know some people swear by it, and I know my mother did for years and years and years, but back then they didn't have a lot available. But today, with all the availability of skincare, I don't even look at this company. And I know there's a lot of research goes into this company. It is one of the largest cosmetic companies in the world and owns so many other companies, right? And so it's Este Lauder. Okay, here it is, Este Lauder. And I believe their stuff are so overpriced. And there's no need for it. And another thing too, I think they use fragrance in their stuff. I don't think I found anything without fragrance in there. And so I try to stay away from it. Let's see. You know what? I don't want to tell you right off the bat because I've been not seeing them, and I'm telling you at some of the videos, it has fragrance, doesn't have fragrance, and I'm mistaken because I can't see it on, on the screen, but it looks like, I mean, right off the bat, I don't see perfume in this, but there's extracts, right? So you have to remember, guys, synthetic perfumes is not good. Natural perfumes is still not good. Perfume is perfume. It does the same thing. It vasodilates your skin. So if you have redness, if you have redness, it's going to show more, okay? Because it's going to open up your veins. So, yep. So here it is. It is a serum. And what does this do? Whoops. Sorry about that. I'm making a mess over here. Okay. This here, it says Este Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized. That's a marketing word, guys. Synchronized. Okay. Multi-recovery complex. Day and night serum fights multiple signs of aging. Okay. But like I said, these things tend to be very expensive, and there's other great companies and other great products out there that'll do the same thing or even better, okay? And so there we go. This is a teeny tiny thing. Don't know if I'm going to use this. Probably not. So what I'll do is put this in a giveaway, and because some of you may enjoy this. I mean, this is just me, my opinion. So like I said, some people still love Este Lauder. My mother used to use Este Lauder. I mean, yeah, for a long time. And so, but yeah, yep. But like I said, there's, better products on the market today for me, in my opinion. Okay. So I will go ahead again, put this in a giveaway. Okay, so my beautiful wildflowers, I think that's it. Yeah, that is it for this month. Not too bad. I'm not unhappy because I did get a sunscreen, which I may not open because it does probably have a white cast. No, never mind. I'm going to use it just so you know. Okay, because I can always put darker foundation on top of it. And then Avene, which is, like I said, useful to me. And I don't mind it. I do not mind it because I do use it. And this is Live-In Proof. As I said, it's a deep frizzer, but it looks like it's a dry conditioner is what it looks like. And next is the cream by naturopathica. Naturopathica? Yeah, that's right. Naturopathica. And it's a day and night cream. And definitely I will give this a try when I run out of my other ones. And last but not last. I'm not going to say but not least. Because to me it's the least. Okay, and is the Este Lauder serum. Okay. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I gave you the information that you need. And if you do decide to go with this box, it's actually pretty nice. But how much skincare can you have, right? And I know I was talking to Corey, and she's like, okay, I'm done with skincare. I just have so much. I can't handle anymore. And yeah, because you don't run out. I mean, it takes a while to go through this, and I totally get it. But if you are trying to build up your, skincare, this is not a bad box. Like $24.95 a month, I said, right? So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope I added value. And if so, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing and hit that bell button and hit all so that way you can notice every time I upload a new video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much for spending your precious time with me. And I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or maybe a good weekend. Doesn't matter. Regardless, just remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.